Alright, this will be a video on how to install windshield wiper blades for a 2023 Honda Civic Hatchback. So first you want to put your wiper blades into maintenance mode. So you'll turn your car on. Gotta push the brake down. Turn it off. Hold this up. There we go. Now you are in maintenance mode.
All right. The second part here, what you want to do is you want to switch out the adapter on your Rain-X wiper blades. These are the ones that I got. I can put these in the description. But yeah, Rain-X Silicone Endura. Got 19s and I got 24s. This is specifically for the 2023 Honda Civic Hatchback. Now those are for the two in the front. I think it's the same for the 2022s as well. But you want to swap out this adapter. What you have to do is, should pop off here, but you take this and you just have to kind of grab it, pop it up, and then it pops right out. Rain-X, I believe, on their website has some how-tos. Then you want to take the one that says B. Let me see if I can. There we go. It says B right here. This is the adapter. It should come with two different adapters. And then what you do is you put that in this spot. So it kind of slides under here. I know it's hard to see. Oops. Kind of hooks under and then pops down into place. So B is the one that has these two little wings kind of on the side. All right, then once you have the B adapter on the windshield wiper blade, this is facing the correct way. Again, the letter B says right there. You want to snip off the right wing. So again, with the B at the bottom, the arrow facing up, you want to snip off this one right here. You want to get as close as you can to it. It's kind of a little bit of a stinker, but there we go. And then you can trim up any of the excess. You can try to do that. There's not much I can get right now with this. So yes, it does involve destroying the adapter, but as long as you follow these steps, you shouldn't have any issues. And yeah, you don't have to spend over $100 to get this replaced at your local Honda dealer, because that's what they quoted me, and it's ridiculous. So, okay, show you the next part. So as you can see, this is the Honda here. And this is the windshield wiper blade I already replaced. This is with the Rain-X one. This is right up there at the top. But as you can see here, this little hole, that's what it wants to hook into. Yeah, and then this is where I snipped off that wing. So you can see the wing here on the other side. But yeah, it fits good. Don't have any issues. And then this is the one that I have not replaced yet. So this is what it originally looks like. You can see the hole right here. Now, what you have to do to remove this, I won't be able to do it on camera because I'm only one person holding a camera right now, and you kind of need two hands. But you push this in, and when you push this in, you pull. So you kind of want to push it in with one hand and pull with the other hand. So I'm going to do that right now, and I'll be right back. So here we are with the original manufacturer blade taken out. This is what it looks like. So you can see it looks pretty similar to the other one that came with the Rain-X blades, but it just doesn't have the wings. But it's very similar setup. That's what it looks like here, open. So again, you just push that button in and pull out. You have to use a little bit of force, but just make sure that button's pushed in and clears that gap, and then you should be good. So now we want to do, we have our Rain-X blade with the wing cut. Now what it should do, it should just slide right in here. push down. Now, I did not cut that super close. I could probably grind that down a bit or use some sandpaper or something, which honestly I may have to do. I don't know if I cut that close enough. Yep, so I'm going to cut that a little bit closer. All right, I just grinded this down a little bit more. You could use sandpaper or whatever. I just got it a little bit more flush with the part. All right, so slide right in here. Then make sure, yep, see, catches right there. So it's not going anywhere, goes right in. And the wing on the other side just kind of hangs around. You can see it, that's caught its position there. Then again, to remove these, you just do the same thing. You push this in, pull it out. So yeah, I looked all over YouTube and I only found one video, which the guy gave me the idea to do this. I can't remember his name, but I could link to his video. But he didn't really show the whole process on how to do it. And so if you're anything like me, you're always looking up YouTube videos to try to figure out how to do things. And figure out how to do things maybe a little bit cheaper, especially with a car like this. One last thing to say before I go. Also, I encourage you, if you need to change your cabin air filter in this car or your engine air filter, it is the easiest thing to do in the world. Do not have a dealer do it. Honda quoted me over $100 to change my cabin air filter and my engine air filter, and you literally don't even need tools to change them. You just pop some things off, you put in the new one. Easiest thing in the world, like easier than any car I've ever owned. And yeah, so Honda, I love their cars, but they will rip you off at the dealerships. So yeah, hopefully you can find this under a quick YouTube search and this does some good for you. Thanks for watching.